Oh, hey, good morning. Today's day one, the first official full day of vacation here in Galveston, Texas. We're gonna have a good time. Today's obviously gonna get started with some coffee. Coffee on the beach. Never had that before. There's a first for everything. The view though, out this window, unfortunately, is not that great. It's a stinking privacy fence. Do I need a spoon?
And a napkin.
And a napkin. Breakfast. I'll change this to autofocus, at least while I'm vlogging. Breakfast of champions. We're having yogurt, strawberry. I cannot open this drawer. This is what
I set a spoon on the counter for you.
Oh. Next to the 50. Oh, and a napkin. I cannot see what I'm recording right now, so I just hope that it's good. There you go.
Thanks.
It's a big old strawberry.
It is a big strawberry. Oh.
And this is blueberry yogurt. We're out just walking the streets. Abby's getting a pano over there of the ocean. We're starving, trying to find a place to eat because all this walking has got me exhausted. This is gonna be a true test of my wind mic because it is windy, but right over there, it's raining. So actually we just now got some storm clouds, but that's all rain over there across the ocean. See, this is what the day did look like. Now it's looking like this. And holy smokes. It's so windy. I hope this wind mic is working. I'm not gonna know until I get to go back and edit this footage, but it could be bad, could be good, I don't know. Lunch at Bubba Gump. So this is the grilled shrimp and fried shrimp, coconut shrimp.
Tempura.
Oh, tempura. And that one's
Coconut shrimp is not.
Oh, you ate it already. Got a nice view for lunch too. What's really cool about the Bubba Gump place is your waitress, if this is blue, they know you're okay. And the red one means that you clearly need something. I don't know why. I really like this place. Whew! My feet hurt! We just walked probably 10,000 miles. Right now we've got to go put gas in the car because we're tired of walking. And we're gonna go swimming at the beach. I don't know if you could tell because my beach towel. Can I come in here?
No.
Okay, not gonna go in there. But yeah, so that's what's on the agenda next. Bubba Gump was delicious. Had a lot of really good, delicious food. Still so much planned for the day, so I hope you guys are enjoying this. Oh no, she's leaving me. She's leaving me. Do you have everything from in here? Huh? Abby?
What?
Do you have everything?
Yes.
All right. Funny story while we get gas. Abby got out. Oh, this stopped by the way. $20.
Yeah, I
Oh, Abby got out to pump the gas, and she was literally like, I don't know how this works. And it's one of those old ones where you flip up. It was funny to me, so I just share that.
I possibly know this. Like you guys how long?
You wouldn't, but now you know moving forward, and that's what's important. Life lessons on a daily basis, folks. It is windy. We just got done swimming in the beach. How was it?
It was great.
Was it everything you thought it'd be?
Everything and more. Oh look, a seagull.
Hey, seagull. Seagull? My camera won't focus in. I am going to go over here and see if I can get a picture taken next to these wood planks. I'll show you guys when I get here. I think it's got a lot of good opportunity for a photo. And I'm out here and I'm always looking for those photo opportunities, so we'll see. Holy smokes! I don't know if you can tell, have a sunburn on my face. Not so much this side, but this side for sure. Abby's been making fun of me ever since we got back. Jerk. On screen. We're inside, winding down. I am actually about to open up this bad boy and pour myself a glass. This is Abby's because, well, I just want to while I edit my vlog. So I'm gonna pop this open real quick. Actually, I'll be back. I should just be able to screw this right in here, just like so, and give this a squeeze, and it should just come right out. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's slipping right on out. That was pretty easy. I definitely do not promote drinking any way, shape, or form, but when you're on vacation, sometimes you just need a little wine. As long as you're over the age of 18, of course.
18.
Or 21. Thank you so much for correcting me. I was so focused on pouring this bottle without breaking it. Make sure you're over 21. Make sure that you're over the age of 21. I'm not much of a wine drinker, but it's alright. We also have lasagna in the oven. Cooking. Lasagna and wine. And I'm gonna sit right there and I'm gonna edit this vlog that you guys are currently watching. So I'm extremely sore, tired. Thank you guys for tuning in. Early day tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna wake up at 5 o'clock. We're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna have coffee as usual, and we're gonna pick up seashells on the seashore. So yeah, fun day tomorrow. Gonna get a lot edited in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm off. Gonna drink the wine. Gonna edit the video. Eat some pasta. It's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. I love each and every one of you. Keep it 100% real, 100% of the time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.